Hey, what's up? This is a tutorial on how to install or how to work with the miescuela.pr account and how to install Office on your computer or sign in to your miescuela.pr account and get free Office 2016 and above. So before we start, you need to know the following information. Most important thing here that we need to know is your CA number. That you will find that number on your student number when you find your report card, and that's going to be in your paper where you get your grades. It says student number and it has like either a 6 or a 7-digit number. You need to put that CA number at miescuela.pr, and your password is going to be DE@12345. So with that said, if your computer already has Office 2016, right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open a Microsoft account or a Microsoft app. I apologize. So the first thing you do is you open your app just like I've opened. It's going to look slightly different in yours if you're using a Windows computer, but it's more or less essentially the same thing. Once you sign in, you click on sign in, and here is going to take you to your Office 365 login. Once you're in there, you're going to write your número de CIE at miescuela.pr. I'm going to write mine. Here, afterwards, the second thing you do is it's going to ask you for your password. Here you write DE@12345. As you see, as soon as I put my username and my password, it identifies me as Miguel, which is me, right? If you do not have the latest version of Office, well, we have to download it. So how do you do that? Step 1, open your browser and search Office 365 login. Once you find that, you click here, and since I'm already signed in, it identifies my DE12720, which is my email and my number. If you're not signed in, we're gonna sign in again. It's gonna ask you for your número de CIE at miescuela.pr, and then it's gonna ask you for your password. As you enter you enter your account, right? Notice how we opened our dashboard, and here as a teacher I have Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Class Notebook, Sway, and Forms. As a student, right, you see Outlook. Outlook is your email, and you're going to see every single email from the Department of Education. If you go into OneDrive, that's going to be your cloud, where you're going to start learning how to upload things so you won't lose things. As you see, pen drives and flash drives are a thing of a past. Clouds are becoming more and more popular. And here you see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. Once you open Word, you're going to open Word Online. This is not what we're looking for, because this is a simplified version of Microsoft Word. You could work with it, but what we want to have an offline Microsoft Word. So we get out of here. The same thing is going to be with Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. All right. Class Notebook is for you to have a notebook and explore OneNote, which is amazing. Forms is to create tests and things. Surveys and stuff like that. What we're looking for is to install Office apps inside of our computers. So what we do is we download Office 2016. And as you see, since I already have it, I'm not going to download it. So I cancel. Once you're finished with that, you're going to have your Office 2016 suite on your computer. You're going to have Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and you're going to have everything else that that Office offers, right? It's amazing and it's free all the way to your 16th grade, which is your university level. So thank you, and hopefully you take advantage of this valuable tool. Have a great one.